Hello all, welcome to Quick Aid. My name is Komal Rane and today's topic of discussion is Python variables. So let's begin. Before we start, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to keep updated with the freshly coming up content. First, we'll look at the agenda for the session. We'll understand what is a variable, rules to declare a variable, assigning values to the variables, and concatenating the variables. Let us quickly understand what is a variable. A variable is basically a reserved memory location which can store different values. Variables can be assigned multiple values. Let us see this with an illustrative example. Here we have a container and we are storing different colored balls into the container, namely A, B and C. This is nothing but the variable where we can store multiple different values, and here we get the variable out. A variable can store values of different data types. The data types are integer, float, string, boolean, etc. For understanding data types in detail, you can click on the I button. Let us look at the rules to declare a variable. A variable must always start with a letter or an underscore character. A variable cannot start with a number. If you try to assign a variable with a number, it is going to show an error. A variable name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores only. Alphanumeric characters include characters from A to Z and numbers from 0 to 9, including underscore. Variable names are case sensitive. For example, the underscore letters, the small letters and the capital letters, for example, name in lowercase, name in uppercase, are all different variables in Python. The reserved keywords cannot be used as variables. The reserved keywords include if, else, and many more. Now let us see how we can assign values to the variables. To assign a value to the variable, we use the equal to operator. Let's understand this with an example. Here I have a equals to 10 and I am printing the value of a. The value will be 10. We can assign a single value to different variables. For example, a equal to b equal to c equal to 20, where we have given three different variables a single value 20. So when you print all the three variables, the output will be 20, 20 and 20 as shown in the slide. Now let us understand the multiple variables and assigning techniques. Suppose we use the same variable and give different values to the same variable. The most recent value will be referred. Let's understand with an example. Here I have a variable a and I am giving the variable a string value called quick aid. A is also assigned 5. Now when you print this, the answer will be 5, which is the recent most value of the variable a. The second case is when we assign different data types to the variable. So is it possible to assign different data types to the variable in Python? Let's understand with an example over here. I have A and I have assigned a string value cats, B with 5.2 and C and list containing apple, mango and integer values. So here we can see it is accepting these values with different data types. So yes, it is possible to assign different values of different data types to variables in Python. Let us understand concatenation of variables. Concatenation of variables means adding the two variables. We can concatenate two or more variables using the plus operator. Here you have to mention that only similar data types can be concatenated. So if you have integer values 2 and 3, it can be concatenated. But if you have an integer and a string value, the Python compiler will show an error if you concatenate the variables. Let us understand this with an example. Here I have a equals to 5, b equals to 6 and I am printing the value of a plus b, which is basically concatenating a and b. The output will be 11. Since a and b variables have the same data type, that is integer, the concatenation is successful. If we try to concatenate values with different data types, it gives us a typing error. Let's understand this with an example. Here a equals to 5, b equals to a string value dog and we print the concatenated value of a and b. The output will be type error, unsupported operand types for integer and string. It means that A is an integer value and B is a string value, and these are two different data types which cannot be concatenated.